Will my abuser be affected if I file a VAWA self-petition, right? So will my abuser be affected if I file a VAWA self-petition? So the abuser will not be affected. There's no impact. They will not be contacted, right? So if you have an abusive spouse, they will not be contacted for your VAWA application. Everything with VAWA is confidential, right? So you'll be telling us, we'll be preparing the application, you'll review and approve it, we'll send it to the government. No one else is involved or contacted about this application. It's highly confidential. It's sensitive information. You're talking about abuse in your marriage. So the government really respects that and wants to give you the confidence that they're going to review this application and they're not going to disclose this painful stuff that you're disclosing to them. So no one is contacted about your application. They treat it with the utmost level of confidentiality. Even if I'm calling, right, if I'm your lawyer, I'm calling about your application, they're not going to tell me anything. I have to email them. There's an attorney hotline for VAWAs that attorneys can use. So that's one of the benefits of using an attorney for a VAWA case. I have to email this specific hotline with the information, and they will only disclose it to me because my name is already on your case, right? If you want to talk about your own case, you have to write a letter to the service center, and then they will respond to you in writing. So things take a very long time, but your abuser can't just call and get information about your VAWA case, right? So everything is highly confidential. So keep that in mind and feel protected. If you're thinking about VAWA, feel protected. Your abuser won't be affected, right? There's no police report with VAWA necessarily. If you have one, great. If you don't have one, you can still get approved. We've had VAWA cases approved with no police report. So there's no reporting with VAWA. We talk about the details of the abuse. We prepare a detailed declaration, and that is sufficient to be approved for VAWA. All right, call us if I can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.